Hello, Wembley! Welcome to Power Up the Frontline with Redzone.
You're here because you want to improve the productivity of your various facilities. You want to learn what other companies are doing to drive best practices across the manufacturing industry. And I think that's what we really want to strive to make sure you take away.
Gone are the days where it took years to implement technology. So 90 days is a cycle, and we believe agents can help do that. It's great to be with the people that are championing manufacturing and supporting the economy from the bottom up.
Allow your teams to engage with real-time data. I can see my current shift performance, the trend for the last 12 hours.
So this is trained on 1,500 factories worth of data. ChampionAI will be an absolute game changer.
You can see with a quick glance at a screen how your day is going. Access to that instant information just allows you to make decisions so much easier.
The ability for your team to communicate is perhaps one of the key drivers in terms of improving productivity across all businesses.
Obviously, we knew we wanted a tool that the masses could use. More importantly, the people on the shop floor who are making the product and earning the money. There's people on the shop floor who are coming up with ideas of ways of improving things, taking out steps of a process in order to make it more streamlined and more efficient.
The bit that we found was the interface and the visual. You find people run towards it quite quickly because it's new, it's shiny, it's different. You'd be quite surprised actually how much people want to get involved.
We hear the voice of the workers in the shop floor. We allow them to communicate. And this is the philosophy of Redzone.